my father, Michael Popolo, has a few words. Go ahead.
There's only 4 pages, right?
This is entitled Born in a Blizzard. Christmas Eve in Malden, Mass. Snow coming down really fast. Off to Stop and Shop we go to get what we need for the Christmas ho-ho. Down the aisles Diane and I go, then suddenly she stops, and what do you know? The baby is rumbling and tumbling in her womb. Oh boy, here he comes. We better get to Malden Hospital soon. After hours of labor were done, lo and behold, we had our first son. As beautiful as any baby could be, we knew how special he would be. All these years later, we'll never forget how happy he made us. Then and yet, as time goes by, we cherish him even more and know how many more good times are still in store. We love you, son, and more than words can say, and we're especially happy for you and Brandon today. As a card I say for Mother Eve, right here. This is a card my mother sent me a while back, very apropos for tonight. As a card I say for Mother Eve applies to both of you, and so I read. Thinking about the boys they were makes you feel a little bit sentimental. Thinking about the men they've become makes you more than a little proud. Congratulations and all our love to you. Very nice. Well done, Mike. You guys get to sign it.
Cheers, big line.
It really was a blizzard. I mean, this is 30 inches of snow. Yes. The whole city was shut down, and Michael was gone. Stop and Shop.
Stop and Shop is like a Vaughn's for all you Ralphs.
I would like to introduce my mother.
Just get anybody in here.
She's doing a video.
Well, I did not know I was going to do this. A little time for that. So I've been trying to think of things to say. Brandon is the middle child, and he is probably the most spoiled middle child. Of course, we spoiled all 3 of our children. But no one would have ever thought that a child raised out in the country where we live. I mean, we're 10 miles outside of town in a small community. He went to school at a K-8 school where we had one grade, one class for each grade. I was his 4th grade teacher at that because I was teaching there.
No favors at all. Spare.
Little did I know that he was going to be a smart man, an intelligent man. His class was probably one of my smartest classes because they were competitive. I don't know if they were really that high IQ, but they competed with each other constantly, which helped them out. But when he became a junior, I think he decided, I'm going to move on into college, and he started searching out colleges, and he found this, just through the mail or letters, found out about Martin Methodist College, and they had this scholarship that was called a Church Leadership Scholarship. And so he started researching that it was a full paid scholarship, and being a public school teacher, you sure don't make anything in Alabama, let me tell you. So he decided he wanted to go check the campus out. And so we drove up on Martin Luther King Day in February. You know what it looks like in Tennessee in February? Everything's dead, like it is here all the time. Brown, and we drove around the campus and all I saw was these run down buildings and the gym, this building looked like a gym, looked like it had been condemned, which it had been condemned. It's a building. And I thought, he's not going to really go to school here. There's no way he's going to go to school here. But he put in for the scholarship. We went up for his interview and his writing test he had to take, which he aced, and he got the scholarship for 4-year life.
Oh, thanks to my aunt. Yes, my aunt Lisa and I are proud.
Yeah, the mistake they made was sending the essay question he had to write. So he pre-wrote and memorized it. So he graduates from Martin, and then he decides, after going with the college choir to New York, he wants to live in New York. And he decides he wants to go to NYU and get his master's degree. So we're like, fine, but you got to pay for it. So he goes to New York, gets his master's degree, and while he's there, he starts working at Columbia University, business school, doing fundraising like he's doing now. And that's where he really got his love for his job, which I'm so proud of, because he makes 3 times as much money as I do now. Which is nice, because I don't mind, saying whatever you want to do, it's your brother. I'm not ready for it. Anyway, I am very proud for him, and I love him dearly.